Here with FASS Fuel Systems. We're at Redneck Diesel Performance in Wilmer, Texas, and the owner, Todd, brought up a very interesting issue with the Detroit DD platform that FASS has a great solution for. So as you can see on this truck back here, this is the Detroit DD15. It's got the 3-filter fuel filter housing on it. And apparently, as Todd is telling me, there's a check valve in this filter housing that's not replaceable. It can go bad. And when that happens, when the truck sits for an extended period of time or overnight, it will bleed off the fuel, and you'll have to pump the hand primer a bunch of times to reprime the fuel system. Now, the solution for that is to replace this whole housing here with the updated housing, which is the 2-filter housing. Now, as you can see, this filter housing is huge, and it is expensive. It's a big old cast piece. Parts are difficult to get. They're expensive, and it's very time consuming and labor intensive, which is more money to replace that. Now, a great solution over replacing this whole filter housing is installing one of our industrial series FASS fuel systems. It's going to be much less expensive than replacing that whole housing, less time consuming, and it's going to get you back on the road. Now, not only is it going to fix that problem, it's going to improve the filtration over the factory filter unit. It's going to remove particulates down to 2 micron absolute, remove over 99% of the water that can be found in diesel fuel, and it's going to remove air vapor and entrained air, which can increase your fuel economy, improve your throttle response, and by removing the air and air vapor, we're going to increase the lubricity of the fuel, and that can extend the life of your fuel injection system. Now, we appreciate Todd from Redneck Diesel Performance giving us this information because that can help you, the customer, save some money and get you back on the road quicker. Now, if you would like to get more information on our industrial series system, be sure to check them out at fassride.com.